Has your vehicle been stolen? Then you get a call saying that it's been recovered and it's ready to be picked up. What's the first thing that goes through your mind? Oh, sure, you're thankful it was found and returned, but what you may not know is that in most of the time, a stolen vehicle is used to carry out illegal activities, and the majority of recovered vehicles are contaminated with hidden dangers. Anything from weapons, bodily fluids, bloodborne pathogens, drugs, drug paraphernalia, and drug residue, with the highest concerns for fentanyl and meth. And nowadays, with the high rates of vehicle theft and illegal drug use, the first question is it safe for my family or employees? Well, it's not. Until you call the professionals at Mayken Hazmat Solutions. We can come to you for a complete, thorough test, inspect, and this will give you peace of mind and to ensure it's safe and free from all dangers. If contaminants are present, we will neutralize, decontaminate, and eliminate harmful elements and guarantee a safe environment. Proven with a post-test and certificate of decontamination. As a certified hazmat technician, we have the experience and know-how to deliver a safe, secure, and healthy environment for your vehicle, home, or business. Mayken, your vehicle cleaner and safer. Mayken.com.